Do you know what is ETL tool in data analysis? It might seem that you don't know ETL, but unknowingly you are using those tools. Actually, Power Query is an ETL tool created by Microsoft, and Microsoft is sharing it with Excel free of cost. ETL means data extraction, data loading, and data transformation. In this tutorial, we will learn how professionally we can use ETL tool through solving a problem in Power Query. This is a pivot table data, but the data is not in pivot table. It is pasted as values. So I cannot change the data in this format. And if I need this data in this format, I have to use primitive copy and paste method. Transposing the data will not help. Actually, we need to unpivot the pivot table data. Power Query is very good in doing such transformations. Just convert this data into table format using Ctrl+T shortcut. Now go to Data menu and click on From Table or Range. It will take some time to load the data in Power Query editor. This is ETL's one property, loading the data to and from Excel. I need the data in this format: first column region and 4 column headers in rows from the columns and their values. I need these 4 columns to unpivot. So select these columns and from transform menu click on unpivot, and it's done within a fraction of seconds. I really enjoy unpivoting data like this. Now go to home menu and from here click on close and load and close and load to. Select table and click OK, and this is done. But earlier I said Power Query is an ETL tool in Excel, and we did too, load and transformation. I will show you more in next tutorial, where I will build a complete report from scratch and will analyze the data to extract valuable information or trends. Till then, take care. Bye bye.